Hello everyone. Good afternoon. Oh no, it's morning only here in our place. So good morning guys. How's everyone doing? Happy Friday. Well, I hope you are enjoying your day guys. And I hope you are all keeping well. Well, today I just want to show you where I am at the moment with my grandson and my son, youngest son. So we went to this small park. There is a beautiful lake in here. So I'll just show you the view guys. Well, today is a beautiful day. It is cold, but it's also sunny. That's why we decided to go out to enjoy the lovely weather. So I am just minding my son today, and he is sleeping at the moment. That's why I am doing this, pushing this boogie. So I am just really grateful guys. I'm so grateful that I can do this, minding my son on ordinary weekdays, because I have this business with me. I can bring it anywhere, anytime. The business is running in automation once everything has been set up, and we just use a mobile phone and an internet connection to do my business. That's why I'm really grateful guys. This is really a flexible business that helps add loads of people in the global community to create the life they deserve. The flexibility and the freedom of time while earning anywhere, anytime guys. So, and since this is Friday, I hope guys you were able to watch our live webinar earlier, or if not, there is a replay of it. I can send it to you if you are going to sign up for free on my website www.roselampilocchio.com, and I'll send you an email to give you our 20 minutes webinar replay, okay? And just check your inbox or your junk folder or spam folder for my email, okay guys? So that's it for today, and have a good weekend guys. Have a lovely and enjoyable weekend. So get some rest, enjoy your time with your family, and do the things that you love. So bye for now guys, and thanks for watching. And by the way, for all those my new followers, thank you for all those my new followers. Thank you for your support. And thank you for all those who are watching me right now, and for all those who are watching, going to watch the replay. Thank you as well. If you can, you kindly comment below where you are tuning in from, and I'll give you a shout out next time. Thanks again, guys. Take care and God bless you all. Bye.